Hello dear students, let me tell you one trick of Boolean algebra. Right? Before starting, let me clarify that please do not use this trick in the exam. Yes, do not use this. Then you will say, sir, why are you telling this? Answer is, I am telling this because you can verify your answer within 2 seconds if you use this trick. But if at all if you get a question on this, first of all you should then you must solve the questions properly, right, step by step, and don't use this trick. This trick is just to verify the answer. See here. So if you want to use this trick, then 3 conditions must be satisfied, right? First condition, there must be 3 variables. There must be 3 variables. Second condition, each variable should be used twice. Each variable should be used twice. Third condition, only one variable should be complemented or uncomplemented form. Only one variable should be either in complemented form or uncomplemented form, right? If at all these 3 conditions are satisfied, then you can apply this trick in your question to verify the answers, right? Now let me explain this with example. Number 1, see here, this is a Boolean function. You have been asked to minimize this. What is that? AB plus A bar C plus BC, right? Check out that whether these 3 conditions are satisfied here or not to use this trick. See here, first condition, there must be 3 variables. Check out there are 3 variables or not. See here, A, B and C. There are 3 variables, right? There are 3 variables, variable A, variable B and variable C, right? Do you see any other variable? Answer is no. So that means first condition is satisfied. There must be 3 variables, variable A, variable B, variable C, right? Second condition, each variable should be used twice. See here, A is used twice, one time here, another time here. So that means variable A is coming 2 times. Similarly, check for B. B is coming 1 time here, another time here. That means B is also coming 2 times, right? Similarly, check out for variable C. C is coming here and also coming here. 1 time here and 1 time here. That means C is also coming 2 times. That means each variable is used here twice. So that means second condition is also satisfied, right? Third condition, only one variable should be complemented or uncomplemented. See here, do you see any complemented variable? Answer is yes. What is that variable? Variable is A bar. A is complemented, right? A is complemented. So that means what should be the answer then? All these 3 conditions are satisfied. Then what should be the answer? Directly note down the answer in 2 seconds. First of all, note down that complemented variable. What is that? A bar C. Write down that term in which you will find complemented term or uncomplemented term. So A bar C right here. Now write the related terms. What is the related term of A bar C? See here, related term is AB. Answer. Why I am saying related term is AB? Because A is coming here also, right? A is not coming here in BC. So don't write BC here. A bar C and related term of A bar C is AB. So A bar C plus AB is the answer, right? Yes, this is the answer. Now I will verify. Yes, question is over. Within 2 seconds you can write this answer. Now see here, now I will solve the same question by conventional method, right? Step by step that you will have to follow in the exam. See here. So first of all, how to solve this question? AB plus A bar C plus BC. BC into 1. In place of BC, can you write BC into 1? Answer is yes, you can write, right? Now in place of 1, I can write A plus A bar. Is it not? I told you this. Just watch my first lecture of Boolean algebra. In place of 1, I can write A plus A bar, right? Now multiply this. AB plus A bar C plus ABC. Multiply BC inside. ABC plus A bar BC, right? Now see here, A bar C is coming here, A bar C is coming here also. That means take A bar C common in this term and in this term. So when you take A bar C common, you will get 1 plus B. B is remaining here, right? Now AB plus ABC. AB plus ABC. What is common in AB and ABC? Answer is AB. AB is common here, AB is common here. So take AB common. When you take AB common, what you will get inside? 1 plus C, right? So 1 plus b is 1 only, that means from here you will get a bar c, and 1 plus c is 1 only, that means from here you will get ab. See here, a bar c plus ab, a bar c plus ab, right? Answer is verified. Am I clear to all of you? So in exam, if this question come, you should solve like this properly, step by step. Don't use this trick. If you use this trick, let me tell you, you will get 0 marks. This trick is just to verify your answers. Now let me give you further examples. Let me give you further example. So second example, just note down. Second example is AB plus BC bar, AB plus BC bar plus AC, right? Now use this trick. This trick is known as consensus theorem, right? Now use this trick. See here, each variable is used twice, A is used twice, B is also used twice, C is also used twice. That means first condition satisfied. Use check out the second condition. Each variable should be used twice. Yes, each variable is used twice. First condition was there must be 3 variables. Yes, there are 3 variables, variable A, B and C. Third condition, only one variable should be complemented or uncomplemented. That means yes, C is one variable, one such variable which is in complemented form, right? So that means answer will be BC bar plus BC bar and its related term. Its related term will be AC, right? Because C is available here. That complemented variable which was here, it is available in this term AC and not in this term AB. So answer will be AC. BC bar plus AC is the answer. Now let me solve this by conventional method. AB plus BC bar plus AC, right? Now tell me in which terms you will use that. See, variable C is unique variable which is available in complemented form. That means in this term you will add C plus C bar here in AB. C is missing in this variable, in this term na? C is missing in AB. That means you will write C plus C bar in AB. So C plus C bar, right? Now multiply this AB, multiply this inside ABC plus ABC bar plus BC bar plus AC, right? That means now check out this term ABC bar and BC bar. What is common in this term and in this term? BC bar is common here, BC bar is common here. Take BC bar common and what is remaining? 1 plus A, right? Now what are remaining term? ABC and AC. What is common in ABC and AC? Answer is AC is common, that means take AC common here and here. So 1 plus B. 1 plus B is 1 only, 1 plus A is 1 only. So what is the answer? BC bar plus AC. BC bar plus AC, BC bar plus AC, answer. So like this you will have to solve in the exam step by step. Take another example. Take another example. See here. Take another example. AB plus B bar C plus AC. AB plus B bar C plus AC. AB plus B bar C plus AC, right? So check out 3 conditions whether they are satisfied or not to use this trick. See here, each variable there must be 3 variables. Yes, A, B and C. Do you see any other variable? Answer is no. That means there are 3 variables. Second condition, each variable should be used twice. Yes, A is used twice, B is used twice, C is also used twice. So that means 3 conditions. Second condition is also satisfied. Third condition, only one variable should be complemented or uncomplemented. Yes. Do you see any unique variable which is available in complemented or uncomplemented form? Answer is yes. Which one? B bar. B is such variable which is available in complemented form. So what is the answer? First of all, write that term in which complemented or uncomplemented variable is available. So I write B bar C plus write the related term of B bar C. What is the related term of B bar C? Answer is AB, right? So B bar C plus AB is the answer. B bar C is plus AB, right? Related term is AB. B bar C का related term क्या है? AB, right? And not DAC, right? Because B is coming C. B should come in that term in which, see here, B bar C is the unique term in which this variable is available in complemented form. So related term of B bar C will be AB only and not DAC, because B, that is unique variable, is available in this term AB and not in AC. So B bar C plus AB is the answer, right? Now let me tell you the conventional method by which you will solve the exam, that you will follow in the exam. So first of all, see here, write AB plus B bar C plus, now AC into 1, in place of 1 write B plus B bar, right? So write B plus B bar. Now multiply AB plus B bar C plus ABC plus AC B bar. Now B bar C is common here, B bar C is common here, so take B bar C common. This is 1 and this will come A, right? Now ABC and AB, what is common in AB and ABC? AB and ABC, answer is AB. If you take AB common, you will get 1 plus C. So 1 plus C is 1, 1 plus A is 1. So that means answer is B bar C plus AB. B bar C plus AB, B bar C plus AB, right? This is the answer, right? Another example, just, I think, hope it is clear to all of you. It is very easy, right? Let me take the product of sum form A plus B, right? A bar plus C B plus C. So what is the answer? Tell me. Each variable is used twice. There must be 3 variables. Only one variable should be complemented or uncomplemented. All 3 conditions satisfied here. Now this is product of sum form. That means answer will be, write that unique term, that is A bar plus C, and write the related term. Related term of A bar plus C is, what is that related term? A plus B, right? Related term of A bar plus C is A plus B and not the B plus C, right? Because A is coming here also, right? A bar is plus C plus, dot A plus B is the answer. A bar plus C in dot A plus B. This is the answer, right? Similarly, take another example, right? This is A plus B and B plus C and A plus C bar. Now what is the answer? Tell me the answer directly. All 3 conditions satisfied. So what is unique term? Unique term is A plus C bar, because one variable is complemented, A plus C bar. Related term of A plus C bar is B plus C, because C is available in this term also, A plus C bar into B plus C. This is the answer. Now another example, check, verify another example. See here, A bar B bar plus B bar C bar plus AC bar. Tell me what is the answer. First condition is satisfied? Yes, there are 3 variables ABC. Second condition is satisfied? Yes, each variable should be used twice. Tell me third condition is satisfied or not. Take a pause of few seconds and just tell me whether 3 condition is satisfied or not. Answer is yes. See here, what is third condition? Only one variable should be either complemented or uncomplemented. So this A is available in uncomplemented form, right? What is condition? Either one variable should be, at least one variable should, either one condition will be complemented or uncomplemented. So it is not available in complemented form, but this is available in uncomplemented form. So this is the unique term. Identify the unique term and write the related term, that is answer. So AC bar plus related term of AC bar is, what is related term? AC bar plus AC bar plus A bar B bar. AC bar plus A bar B bar. A bar B bar. So basically you have to check A. A is unique term. Unique because it is available in uncomplemented form. Rest all are complemented, right? C bar, B bar, B bar, A bar, right? So related to this AC bar, the related term of AC bar is A bar B bar, because A is available here also and A is available here also. You should not write BC B bar C bar because no A is available in this term. So this why this is the answer, AC bar plus A bar B bar. AC bar plus A bar B bar, right? Now so there are plenty of examples. Take another example here. AB plus B bar C plus BC. Now tell me what is the answer, right? What is the answer? Tell me what you will write. Can you tell me the answer? Yes. See here, most of our saying, sir, answer will be B bar C plus BC. Is this answer? Wrong. This is not the answer, right? Why? Because check out AB plus B bar C plus BC. What is the answer? See here, this is not the answer because the B is variable which is used 3 times, right? What is the condition? Each variable should be used twice. So second condition is violated. That means you cannot apply this trick in this example. Yes, you cannot apply this trick. That means you should solve normally, right? How to solve this? See here, how to solve this? B bar C and BC. What is common in these two terms, B bar C and BC? AB plus what is common? C is common, B plus B bar. So AB plus B bar is 1. So what is the answer? AB plus C is the answer. I stop. Practice, just practice, right? Very easy. Subscribe my channel, right?